Jen Shergwin-Sadie, realtor with Rovithis Realty, and I'm at the spacious Colonial at 57 Western Avenue in Westfield, Massachusetts, just moments away from Westfield State University and Stanley Park. Let's go inside for a tour. I hope you enjoyed your tour of 57 Western Avenue in Westfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this home or any other property, please feel free to call me at the number below. I am very happy to help you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe that who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.